afternoon. I thought maybe it'd be easy to show you guys some of these assignments via video instead of trying to type out descriptions. So the first one you brought up was the personal success plan. We started this back in week 3. Each student received the plan on Tuesday. If a student was not there, then they received it with their name on when they returned from the green absent folder in the back of our classroom. It looks like this. We did the pre-test confidence together. So the students read the benchmark and rate on a scale of 0 to 3 how well they understand it. Then we took the pre-test together in class. They calculated their scores. They put an X or a check mark next to the question to see whether they got it right or wrong. And then they set goals for the unit. Then we took the post-test together in class. I saw that he did just recently take the post-test. I put that score in. Since he didn't email me about it, I didn't know about it until you mentioned it in an email. And then we fill out this part. You calculate your score. You discuss if your post-test score improved or went down from your pre-test score. And then whether you were or were not successful. And then so it needs to be a little bit more detailed than just saying like, because I got the questions wrong or because I got the questions right. It needs to be like, because I studied every day or because I talked too much. Real detail about why you got your score. Then they set some goals for the upcoming unit. They let me know what I could do to help them. They assess their attendance, and then they talk about the extra credit. If he can't find this sheet, then it can be found on Schoology under week 3 on Tuesday. Linked at the bottom here, Unit 1 Success Plan. He can print it out and get those informations from the Schoology pre-test and post-test to fill it out. And the next assignment, it looks like you guys were talking about, was asexual versus sexual reproduction. Now, mine doesn't look quite the same because it's the teacher view. His will say assignment, and then instead of in progress, it'll say my document. So looking at it here, there's 2 parts. You pick on assignment IMB 30, where you had to pick a left-hand option to complete what he knows about asexual and sexual reproduction. You can use the Amoeba Sisters video and the student tutorial. Then it says to open the OneDrive document, and as you finish the questions in the tutorial screen capture them, and paste them into the PowerPoint. So if we open the tutorial, it looks like this. We click resume. As he works his way through it, he'll eventually get to the practice questions like this, where he'll screen capture that. To get to his PowerPoint, his right here will say My Documents. He'll click on the PowerPoint. It will look like this when it opens. He'll have to log in a couple of times. There are several links attached to the assignment showing how to get to them. Once again, it explains the assignment again. Here it gives you an example of the assignment. And so then the question that he just did from the tutorial, this question here that he screen captured with the green arrow on the bottom, he will paste onto this page. Then when he gets to practice problem number 2, he'll paste it onto this slide. And so on his way through. When he gets done, he'll need to make sure he clicks the submit button or turn in button that is going to be over here in this corner. Once again, at the bottom of the assignment page, there will be a whole bunch of links about screen capturing and how to submit assignments on OneDrive and all sorts of good stuff like that to help him out. When he finishes that, he'll want to send me an email so I know to grade it because it doesn't always tell me that via Schoology. The last thing that he said he was working on was the theory and law Venn diagram. At your request, I have unsubmitted his previous one so that he is able to redo it. When he finishes it, he will need to email me because it doesn't tell me when kids redo assignments. So that will give him some more credit. He is welcome to complete his IMB more if he likes, but these other assignments will probably help boost him a little bit more, including that safety research and safety citations that he hasn't submitted yet for me. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to email me, and I will hopefully get some work from him soon. Thank you.